Hello guys. I just want to warn you all, if you think about getting the Polaroid camera, don't, because it is really shitty. It says it's HD there, if you can see it. It's just really bad all around. There's nothing good about whatsoever. It was 65 plus other 70 euros, and it is lying everywhere about its quality and everything. Really bad. I got this camera from a YouTube channel. I thought it would be nice and cheap. I thought that it would do an okay job. Got it home, took it out of the box obviously, and I went out on the town in Carrick to experiment with it, and it was just really bad. It wouldn't. There's no pause button on it. There's nothing on it whatsoever. There's a USB. There's a memory. There's a micro SD slot on it. But apart from that, it's just very bad. There's nothing to put a tripod to stand it up, and when you open it up, when you open it, this is all you get. A few buttons there, a power, home, and a settings one. It's really bad. I mean, it looks as cheap as anything. I mean, you could have gotten this out of a McDonald's Happy Meal. You know, if you see anyone going around with this, would you think that it's actually a genuine camera to record things off? I mean, just look at the state of it. There's nothing good about it, not one bit. Not one bit. I mean, all this is as loose as anything. I mean, 65 euro for that. I mean, I'm not good at giving reviews, but if you just look at this, you can see this is actually the right size. The right size. And it's a Polaroid. A Polaroid camera. Yeah, if anyone is thinking about getting this, don't, because it's shit. Really bad. You know? And I'm going to Argos tomorrow and I'm going to get the money back for it. They told me that it's not refundable, but I don't care, I'll get the money back for it. You know? So, if anyone is thinking about getting the Polaroid camera, don't, because it's just shit. It's no pause button, it's nowhere to put a tripod on. It says it's full HD when it isn't. You know, just to put a warning out to you guys, if you're thinking about getting a camera like this, a camcorder like this, if I was you, I wouldn't, because it's shit. Okay, there's nothing good about it whatsoever. The only good thing is it's small, but it is very basic. It's not even worth nearly 65 to 70 euros. It's not worth it at all. You know, I could have gotten one in Eurogiant in Carrick for 50 euro, and that would have been better than this thing. So I'll leave you go, lads. Okay, I'll see you soon. Bye now.